on the internet discount sites like Groupon. So they're a great deal for Saskatchewan shoppers, but we were wondering, what about Saskatchewan businesses? The CBC's Tori Gillis looked at that.
Groupon.com has been around for a while, but business owners in Saskatchewan know interest is peaking now. The Chicago-based Coupon website claims over 50 million subscribers, with about 75,000 of those in Saskatchewan. So how does it work?
Groupon.com is a website where they offer discounts if a certain number of people buy into it.
Yeah, you get a large group of people and you can get tickets and various things for like 90% off or something.
So you pay something like $30 or $15 and get $30 free at a restaurant or something like that.
And the more people that know about it, the better the bargains. The mass marketer shows ads to a lot of people for free.
As of this morning, Groupon said they have over 34,000 subscribers in Regina alone, and they say that number jumps up by the hundreds each day. For some shop owners here, that's been a recipe for success.
It went very well. I had a lot of new clients come in, which was the whole point of it too.
But it doesn't work for everyone. Some owners still aren't getting the numbers.
Well, I haven't seen so much new traffic yet from that particular campaign, so that's what I was aiming at, and so now I'll wait to see what happens.
Other shops are saying that it's just not enough. They see the same regulars coming in, or sale shoppers who won't come back. And while some businesses are losing by offering such drastic discounts, Beltrami still sees it as a free commercial. Tori Gillis, CBC News, Regina.
Well, a number of students at